Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic for today will be the express analysis. This particular module, what we call express analysis, is a limited trial version of T-FLEX analysis, the full module. And this is specifically tuned for running simplified strength studies. It is included inside T-FLEX CAD and does not require an additional license of T-FLEX analysis. Myself today, that I'm showing a model, it doesn't matter what it does. I cannot show you the menus of the express analysis itself, because what happens is that I got the full version of the analysis. I don't have only the simplified version, but basically it is the same, and some of the functions are not possible to be accessed. So we have a special study type express analysis available with this, I will call it particular module. And the study is a static analysis with certain limitation. And it is available again without having this analysis module. The data from an express analysis file can be read using the full module, so you can have something done on the express, and after, if you buy the analysis module, you can access this information, and then you can change the study and perform a more complex study with the full module. So you can access this in the same menu, but as I said, there are commands that are unavailable. It is important to notice also today which are the limitations for this express analysis module. So regarding the full version, let me highlight which are the limitations. So we can include only one element, so we can calculate only single parts, and we cannot do this for assemblies. The mesh has only simplified parameters in the dialog box that we get, if you remember. So we get all of these things on the full module, but we get a simplified version of this. We have available only as loads force and pressure. Let me remind you that we have a lot of things, acceleration, gravity, and so on. So we have only these two things. Regarding restraints, we have only the full restraint, so we don't have all the other options, partial restraints and symmetry, contact, whatever. The user cannot modify calculation options, so it's not possible also. The export of the results are also not available, and we have only the following types of calculation results available. Displacement magnitude. Let me, I don't have the results here. I think in this particular example, okay, I'm not sure what it will do. Let me try to calculate. I'm not sure if it will take long or not. I hope not. But as I was saying, we have the following results available: displacement magnitude, equivalent stress, and factor of safety by equivalent stress. Let me see if this ends quickly or not. If not, I will abort this. If you remember, we have a lot of let me abort this. When you do the solve, we have a lot of different things that we can choose from in this full version, and we have only those three options for the express analysis module. So anyway, I think it's a nice feature to have included in CAD without spending more money. You can do some analysis, which is interesting, and it's an added value for the CAD version. So any questions about this or other topics, let us know, send us an email or a contact, and we will be here for any support that you might need.